In airSlate, each flow you create can be shared with your teammates or kept private. Every flow you start creating is set to private by default. This means that only you and a teammate with the supervisor role can see it. To make the flow available to your team, just go to the Share Flow section and click Enable Team Access. Now all your teammates will be able to access the shared flow. You can also hide any flow. When you do so, the flow disappears from the dashboard and the list of flows, so you can only find it by name. In this case, it is invisible even for the workspace owner and supervisors. To hide a flow, go to Configure Flow and click Hide Flow. In order to edit your document template, you first need to remove all the slates in your flow if there are any. Then, just go to the Configure Flow section and click Edit Fillable Fields in the document you want to update. Now you can make any changes to your document in the editor by going to the Edit section. To add a team member to an organization, you must be its owner or supervisor. Click the Team Management icon in the left sidebar. Then, click the Add Teammate button and invite by adding the emails you need. When you click Apply, all the invited parties will receive the invitation email, and you'll see every invited user as pending in the teammate list until they accept the invitation. To share your flow publicly, go to the Share Flow section and click the Share Your Flow via Public Link button. Now you have an active public link, an iframe, and a QR code to embed into your website or directly share with anyone you need. To add one or several admins to a flow, go to the Configure Flow section. Click Manage Flow and select Flow Access. Type in the email you need and change from the default Fill and Share setting to Admin. In order to set a redirect after Slate's completion, go to Configure Flow and Manage Flow. Then select Redirect Recipient. Turn the tumbler on and enter the website URL in the appropriate format. Then choose to open it in the same tab or a new tab.